I'm going to show you my dog, guys. She scratches me a lot. You see that? He is a scratcher. You will not believe how big she is. Hey, no. He scratches me on one stop. Ready? I don't even want to show you. She's just a little one. She's teasing, that's why. And she likes to scratch a lot. Yeah. No. Are you real? Say hi. She messes with me a lot. No, 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 no. You like that, huh? Huh? You like that? Yeah? No. She crying. She crying. Right. Yeah, you crying. I can see those eyes. I can see those eyes. Right. Oh, never mind. She not crying. She feisty. She feisty. Huh? 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 She used to be so nice. Now look at her. She's just a little tiny tough girl. See, this is why I get scratches from her. Because she does not know how to act correctly. Huh? Huh? No. No, ma'am. You're not going to bite on me. No. I love when I slap her. No. You wanna go get your toy, huh? You wanna get your toy that you bite on instead of me? Yeah. We're gonna get her toy. Come on. No. You better back off. Heck no. Come on. Get your booty over here. Go. You're gonna lead the way. I'm not. Yeah, let's go get your bone toy. Where is it, huh? Oh, there it is. Look, I'm not your bone. You're going to tickle me a lot. And then, I'm going to have to beat you up, huh? She doesn't like it when I take her toy, her little tiny toy. Which I'm on the couch now and she can't jump. Hold up, guys. Okay, that was my sister's, guys. No. Bad girl. Bad. She doesn't like it when I yell at her. She cries a lot. She's a crybaby. Right. Mm-hmm. 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 Go. Mm-hmm. See? She doesn't like it. Go. Mm-hmm. Now, I'm going to take her bone away. She's always under the desk. Like, it's always dark under here. That's why. Give me your toy. Ready? I'm going to slowly do this. She likes chewing on it. Give me this. I got it, guys. Okay. No. She's mad now. She's mad. Well, I got her toy. I mean, her bone. Her bone. Do not bite me. Come and get it. Come and get it. Are you a crybaby or not? You would climb up this couch and get it, would you? Yeah. If you truly want this, you would get it. She's scared of getting up the couch, that's why. Get up here. Get up here if you want it. Rawr, I'm going to slap you. I wasn't playing around with you. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. No, but jump a little bit higher. Yes, go on the couch. Thank you. Do not bite on monkey. Exactly. She is not gonna mess with me. Here, take your toy. No. She messing with me. She messing with me. She doesn't like it. But anyways, thank you for watching this video. Now I'm gonna beat her up now. So bye. I'm just kidding, I'm not. But yeah. Bye guys.